Hey guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to do a text to a curved path. So obviously Procreate doesn't let you do that, but I'm going to show you what options you've got. So my favourite way of doing it is, so you've got your text, let's just say my name. Okay, so what you can do is just make a new layer, make an arc, hold it, just look a bit nicer. Even if you want, duplicate it, so you've got something to follow. Okay, so just go over to your text, rasterize that, just make it a bit bigger, and then just simply take away each letter and using this arc now as a guide. So take that, take the A, and just sort of keeping it level with the lines. I'm sure Procreate will eventually give us an option to follow a path. I hope so anyway. But for now, this is one way of doing it. So, and then just take away your lines. Voila. Obviously you can spend much more time doing it, but that is genuinely my favourite way of doing it. I'll show you an example of a design that I did where that was used. So like this one was followed from a path, and this one was. This one was as well, actually. This one was. So you can see it's quite handy. This one was actually done via a full circle with two lines and then doing it in the circle. That one was, yeah, it is easy. It's definitely the best way to do it. I've seen other people do it where they draw the lines and then they drew it within, but no, I prefer to do it that way anyway. There you go.